Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this sauna. Now this is a 2-person sauna. I haven't seen one this big before. It is huge, and it comes with 2 chairs and 2 remotes. You have 2 remotes because you actually have 2 steam boxes. Now we just have one of them hooked up right now because we don't really need that much power running through, but you can use your one remote. You've got a nice pocket right here in the front to be able to hold remotes or phones or whatever else. You do have nice zippered windows that are translucent on the front and on both sides. So each person gets window access to everything that you need. This is a nice thermal box that'll hold all your heat in. And if you notice, it's actually got a red color in there. That's because they have a red light that is installed right on the very top up here. There is a red light that clips in. Now I turned this on just a little bit ago and you can see the actual steam is already coming in. So here's the steam box on the side. It does come with the remote, so if you wanted to control it from the inside, you can do that. But you can have it on and off. You've got your temperature settings. You go up to power 9, down to power 1, and you just click the button to be able to move it. It's got a nice screen on the front to be able to do it. You can also control it from here if you did lose it. Now you do have your power again. And over here you have your time limit. So you can set on your time and you can have that go from 1 all the way up to 120 minutes. Be able to run that and then it'll just turn off for you whenever you want. Now we're gonna get inside and try this thing out. So we've got this all steamed up and you've got plenty of room for 2 people to be in here. That's great that you can have all of the extra space. You've got a double zipper on both sides so you can easily zip yourself in here. Be able to have a nice red light and sauna time all in this one box.